This is a report which is sent to me by a student. They're saying that MBA programs are debating to drop GMAT. So he is very happy. तो सर अगर GMAT waive off हो गया तो CAT भी waive होगा क्या? So will the CAT score be waived off for MBA admission? B schools have waived off a test for this fall, obviously this admission, and extended the policy to 2021 as well. Yeah. So let me break your heart here कि नहीं होगा. ठीक है. Before I go into the detail of this exam. CAT होगा भैया, CAT बंद नहीं होगा. I'll talk about that in 2 minutes. First, let's check out the report. What is happening with GMAT? Because whatever happened to GMAT, same thing are going to happen with CAT as well. Because CAT very much follows what is being done in GMAT. Yeah. So let's check out this report. Some B school are temporarily reducing their standardized testing requirement, a move that could help them struggling B schools attract more applicants and increase that diversity to make it harder to evaluate the candidate. Yeah, but this is obviously make it harder to. Now, this is for the struggling programs. Guys, 2020 chodo, 2019, 2021, 25, there will be B schools in India who are giving admission to you without any exam. Yeah, trust me. There are colleges which say, we want a non-zero score to give you admission. पहले मेरे को लगता है कि व्हाट यू मीन बाय नॉन जीरो स्कोर मतलब जीरो नहीं आना चाहिए. फॉर एग्जांपल इन द कैट एग्जाम इवन इफ यू स्कोर आउट ऑफ 300 इवन इफ यू स्कोर 1 दे विल गिव एडमिशन. देखा नॉन जीरो लेके आना बच्चा हमारा स्मार्ट है बच्चा हमारा. या इवन एट 1 परसेंटाइल विल गेट एडमिशन. जीरो नहीं आना चाहिए बस. सो all these kind of students, all these kind of colleges will, I don't want to name the colleges, you obviously know the names. In fact, you can post in the comments if you want the colleges which you think are giving admission without any admission criteria. So they just want you to apply, give the CAT score, give ZAT score, because this is government ka rule that you have to give one of the exams. So they just make your accept your non-zero score in any of the exam. नहीं भी दिया no problem, admission ले लो. Last में exam होगा एक MAT and ATMA which happens 4 times a year. तो कभी भी मैथ देख के यू कैन टेक द एडमिशन. इफ यू वांट द एडमिशन 2021 छोड़ो यार. इफ यू वांट द एडमिशन इन 2020 you can still get the admission. Now, even after 1 year you come that I want to take admission second year, if you're willing to pay the fees for 2 years, they will give you admission. Placement नहीं मिलेगा यार, obviously. वो हमें चाहिए भी नहीं जॉब के थोड़ी जा रहे हैं, हम तो लर्निंग के लिए जा रहे हैं. Yes, learning wise, you will learn MBA. Okay, जॉब नहीं मिलेगा ऐसे कॉलेजेस में, वो बात की बात है. Okay, now let me clarify the remaining part of this report. Some top tier B schools, however, have more reluctant to remove the GMAT. Harvard Business School and other prestigious business schools say GMAT is a crucial part of that. Prestigious universities. So don't expect SPGen, IIMs, IITs, and other top B school, Bajaj, FMS, to give you admission without this. Why? See, this is being done by the colleges where P students not applying. Imagine, my college have suppose 100 seats. If the number of applicants are only 80, my 20 seats are going to waste. So what I can do is I can waive off the exam. If I waive the exam, people can come to me. But IIMs, SPGen are not going to waive the exam. So don't worry. Don't be too happy, too optimistic. CAT band hoga, CAT hoga. And trust me, even you want CAT to happen. Because if CAT is not happening, if the admission is directly on the basis of a 10, 12 marks profile, then obviously you will have a bigger problem. Trust me. So CAT will happen. So thank you, Hassan, for sending me this report. All the best. How you feel about this? Please do comment in the comment box. I will make a video on part 2 in case required, because that can start a new discussion whether CAT should be stopped or not. All the best.